Imagine a future where AI understands the world as intuitively as we do, where robots can predict and react to events in real time. That's the promise of world models, and they're poised to revolutionize AI as we know it. But what exactly are world models, and why are they suddenly the hottest topic in AI research? This story begins with Pim DeWitt, the founder of Metal, a popular video game clipping platform. Around the middle of last year, DeWitt started exploring potential collaborations with prominent AI labs, offering them access to Metal's vast trove of gaming data for AI training. He quickly discovered that his data was far more valuable than he initially thought. He received multiple acquisition offers very quickly, including one from OpenAI, rumored to be around $500 million, as reported by The Information. "Initially, we were quite interested in them," he said of those offers, "but that was mostly a result of us not understanding what we were sitting on." The turning point came when DeWitt realized the potential of Metal's data, which receives roughly 2 billion video uploads per year from tens of thousands of video games, to develop a groundbreaking foundational model inspired by Google DeepMind's research demonstrating the use of gaming data to teach AI spatial reasoning and 3D environment navigation. DeWitt envisioned a future where AI could seamlessly interact with the real world. This realization led to a bold move, spinning out a new AI lab called General Intuition. Today, Pim DeWitt announced that Metal is spinning out a new AI lab called General Intuition. The lab has secured a staggering $133.7 million in seed funding, primarily from Vinod Khosla, founder of Khosla Ventures and an early backer of OpenAI. Other notable investors include General Catalyst and the Rain Group. Moreover, Moritz Bayerlentz, who oversees Lightspeed's gaming investments, is joining the startup part-time as a founding team member, adding further expertise and validation. Khosla believes that General Intuition has the potential to be as transformative in the realm of AI agents as OpenAI was in the application of large language models, LLMs. This investment marks his firm's largest seed check since its initial bet on OpenAI in 2018, underscoring the magnitude of his conviction. "It's a pretty big bet," he told me. "They have a unique dataset and a unique team." But here's where it gets controversial. What makes world models so different, and why is the AI community so excited? Unless you're deeply entrenched in the AI research world, chances are you haven't heard much about world models. Simply put, a world model is a type of AI that's trained to understand and predict how the world works, much like humans do. For example, imagine a robot that can anticipate a glass of water falling off a table and catch it before it spills. That's the power of a world model. More practically, AI researchers are increasingly viewing world models as a critical pathway to training AI agents that can reliably generate and interact with 3D spaces. Demis Hassabis, CEO of Google DeepMind, has been a leading voice advocating for the importance of world models in achieving artificial general intelligence, AGI. Google recently unveiled Genie 3, a model that can generate entirely new video game-like environments in real time based on user navigation. Several startups are also exploring similar models, including Fei Li's World Labs, which recently released a demo of a model that generates interactive video in real time. General Intuition's vision is to create AI that can control any device that can be mapped to a keyboard, mouse, or game controller. Games are basically the only verifiable domain for spatial temporal reasoning, he explained. You can separate a good action from a bad action, which is why it's so valuable. Think of it this way. In a game, the consequences of your actions are immediately apparent, allowing the AI to learn from its mistakes and refine its understanding of cause and effect. And this is the part most people miss. Despite the excitement, developing world models is far from a guaranteed success. The optimal technical approach for developing world models is a subject of intense debate within the AI community. Even Khosla acknowledges that the ultimate value of different datasets remains uncertain. While members of DeWitt's early research team have made significant contributions to the field, general intuition faces stiff competition from well-funded giants like Google. Somebody will win big in this market, said Khosla, who thinks it's an area where multiple $100 billion and potentially even trillion-dollar companies will be built. DeWitt predicts that gaming companies will become highly sought-after acquisition targets for AI labs as the interest in world models intensifies. His decision to launch General Intuition was fueled by the realization that Metal's data puts him in a unique position to be more than just a data supplier. However, he cautions that others may find it difficult to resist lucrative licensing deals and acquisition offers from the major AI labs. "You are at an information disadvantage," he said, offering advice to the gaming industry. "The better these models get, the less data they're likely going to need." This highlights the importance of gaming companies understanding the true value of their data and strategically leveraging it to shape the future of AI. But here's the real question. Is gaming data truly the optimal path to developing robust world models? Or are there other, potentially more effective data sources that we haven't fully explored yet? Could simulations or real-world robotics data prove to be even more valuable in the long run? What do you think? Will General Intuition succeed in its ambitious goal, or will other players dominate the world model landscape? Do you believe gaming companies are adequately aware of the value of their data? Or are they at risk of being exploited by larger AI labs? Share your thoughts and predictions in the comments below.